So YouTube, what up, what up, what up? Anyways, Mecca here doing another vlog. This time I am in the gym. I just got here. Right now it's like probably about 10:30 at night. Oh, time to get it going, man. Time to sweat. I'm already sweating walking over here. But this is the weight room, or should I say the workout room. See, there you got the machines. And here you got the elliptical and the treadmill. Pretty much so far I've been doing pretty good on the running and dieting. The way I could tell, I didn't actually weigh myself, but I know I'm about I was about 350. And the reason why I know I lost probably a few pounds is because my belt that I always wear to work, I went down another notch. So, you know, trying my best. Here we go. Dang, but anyways, so this is it. Pretty much what I do is I hit the weights, you know. I don't go too heavy because I'm not a heavy lifter. I used to be when I was in high school, but for now it's all about trying to lose the, the fat. So I just hit the weights. Once I'm done with that, then I hit the either the treadmill or the elliptical. For now, because I'm not a runner yet, once I get there, then I'll hit the treadmill. I just hit a elliptical, and usually I just do about a mile and a half on the elliptical, and then I'm done. Call it a night. So that's pretty much it. Damn, but you know what's funny is that, check this out, man. See that right up there? That's the video camera, okay? Nobody even saw someone come in here and turn that around. So anyone could just come in here and mess with the equipment, without the apartments knowing about it. And see the TV over here? Yeah, the back of it, the cable box, someone actually jacked the cable box. So when I came here last night, try to watch some TV while, working out, somebody straight jacked the cable box. So I told my dad, because my dad's the maintenance guy of the apartments, and he let his boss know. So yeah, talk about some ghetto stuff going on over here. So now I can't watch my ESPN while I'm running or working out, but I'm gonna just have to try to do it anyways. All right, y'all, peace.